In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create custom objects in HubSpot. Whether you're aiming to streamline your data management or tailor HubSpot to better fit your unique business processes, understanding how to create custom objects can significantly enhance your workflow. To start off, head over to your HubSpot dashboard and navigate to the settings icon. This is typically located in the upper right-hand corner of the screen. Once you're in the settings area, look over to the left-hand sidebar. Here, you'll see a variety of options categorized under Objects. Click on the Custom Objects link. This section of HubSpot is where you get the flexibility to define new objects that suit your specific needs. Once you're in the Custom Objects interface, you'll see a button labeled Create Custom Object. Click on this, and you'll begin the process of setting up your own tailor-made object within HubSpot. Now, the first piece of information you'll need to input is the name of the object. This includes two parts: a singular form and a plural form. For instance, if you're creating an object to track vendor contracts, you might name it Vendor Contract for singular and Vendor Contracts for plural. Providing clear and concise names is crucial because they'll be displayed throughout your HubSpot instance, aiding in quick recognition and clarity. Next, there is an opportunity to add a description for your custom object. This step is optional, but I highly recommend taking a moment to fill it out. A brief description can provide context for you and your team, especially as time progresses and your use of HubSpot evolves. It can serve as a reminder of the object's purpose and key functions. Now, it's time to define the primary display property. This property is a pivotal aspect of your custom object, as it acts as the main identifier for each record within it. Imagine it as the headline or title of a record, the piece of information that you'll most frequently need to identify it at a glance. For instance, if you're working with vendor contracts, this might be something like the contract name or vendor name. Choosing a relevant primary display property ensures that navigating through individual records remains clear and intuitive. In addition to the primary display property, HubSpot allows you to set up secondary display properties. These are incredibly useful for quick filtering and at-a-glance insights. Select a couple of additional properties that will help you drill down into the data or streamline your workflow. Once all these fields are complete, you're ready to create the object. Simply click Create, and HubSpot will work its magic. From here, you can start using the custom object just like any other object in HubSpot. This includes adding custom properties and defining associations to see how this new object relates to others in your system. With these steps, you're now equipped to start utilizing custom objects in HubSpot to their full potential. Don't hesitate to explore and customize even further to see how these specially created objects can best serve your business needs. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.